Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Skype. To know how to find a solution about Skype app, you should just go to settings. After that you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of Skype. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors in your app. And in the end of all the steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.